Hi, welcome back to Sam Lubis YouTube channel. So this time I would like to present my what should I call, cooking for my lunch, of course. So it's gonna be very simple lunch. So today I'm going to show you the procedure of how to cook. I don't know how to say it in English, but tahu, tempe, goreng balado. Okay, so it's like English accent, right? Haha. All right, so okay, here are the the ingredients and the materials, the things we need. Okay, first of all, of course, we need this. This is tahu in Bahasa, but some Chinese people call this tofu, right? Okay. And this one, alright, we call this tempe. So in English we say soybean, right? Kedelai, right? This one we need chilies, some chilies, red chilies, right? And I also use, some baby chilies, and of course it's so spicy. Okay, and don't forget to add some tomatoes here. Okay, to make it like really hot. Okay, and this one, don't forget some onions, of course. Okay, and let's go how to cook this, and of course I'll show you one by one the step to organize all of these materials I've prepared. Okay, check this out. Alright, the first step is we need to slice this soybean, look at this, into some pieces so that we can cook this, and we can mix this with another ingredient, of course. So let's slice this. Okay, so I have already sliced the soybean or the tempeh here like this. Okay, and don't forget, after this we can take it to this one, this cup, this bowl. Okay, and I'd like to clean this first, and of course I need some salt in order to make it a bit salty, of course, and the salt will be mixed with some water here in the bowl. Okay, let's see it later. Okay, so we have already poured out some water here, and we try to mix the soybean, and we have already take some salt and put it here, and we can let the soybean mix with the salt and it becomes salty. Now let's come to the tofu. We can also put the water inside the bowl together with the tofu, and don't forget to mix it with the salt, of course, and we have to make sure that it becomes a bit salty. Yep, just like this. So together with the tempeh. So the main ingredients are soybean and the tofu, of course. Okay, now we have some chilies here, so we're ready to slice these chilies, and let's see how we slice it. Here you go. So we're done slicing the chilies and ready to put this again back to the bowl. Alright, the chilies now are in the bowl right now. Okay, so we have another chili. So I call this baby chilies. In Bahasa we say cabai rawit. I don't know, okay, but it's totally more really spicy, more, yeah, it's spicier of course than the red chili. Okay, let's slice them. Okay, so we have sliced the baby chilies. After that we put this back into this bowl. Okay, then we've got some onions here. I've put some slices only, not too much. I mean, yeah, because eating this too much is also like, you know, gives us like not very good taste. I mean, not very good smell. Okay, to our body. Alright, so slicing the onions is done. Okay, so again we need to put this back into that bowl. So the baby chilies and the onions are already on the containers. Next, let's come to tomatoes. Let's slice them. Voila, here we go. So we have already sliced the tomatoes and we need to put them back into the bowl. Okay, the tomatoes sliced are already in the bowl. Okay, so we have already got, you know what? Okay, in Bahasa we call this ulekan dan cobek. Okay, but we have something special in English. We can call this pestle and mortar. Again, pestle and mortar. Okay, so this is very traditional, and I believe, not everyone can use this. So let's see how you can use this to combine all these ingredients: tomatoes, chilies, baby chilies, onions, and so on. Okay, now let's put all the tomatoes here. Okay, make sure at the one side, and the red chilies of course. Okay, then don't forget, there you go, baby chilies. Baby chilies. Okay. And of course, the onions. Okay. Alright, so let's hit all these items on the pestle. Okay, slow but sure. We hit this one by one. Okay, until it becomes smooth. Look at this. So the chili is almost smooth. Okay, so we have already hit all the items. So everything is combined here in one spot. Okay, look at this. So we have to make sure that everything is very smooth, yeah? Alright, so smoothing all the chilies are done. Okay, it's done. So try to put this into a bowl or something. Okay, so we use spatula to put this chili into this bowl. Okay, let's see. Alright, so now we are done. Okay, doing the pestle and mortar, and this one, okay, the result of the combination of the chili. Okay, so the spatula has moved all the chili into this bowl. Okay, let's go to the next step. Alright, so we have prepared the fried oil here on the stove to fry this tofu and the soybean. Okay, now let's fry this one by one. Careful. Okay, the shape of the tofu, sorry, can be as you want, right? So I love squares for the tofu, and also the soybean, one by one, just like this. Okay, so we just wait for the soybean and the tofu fry. Okay, I'm telling you something. In frying this, you have to make sure and pay attention carefully to the fire, because if it is, if you set this fire like a lot, okay, so it is not well fried. So it's just only like fried outside, but it's like raw inside. That's it. So the tofu and the soybean is almost well done. Right? Okay, it looks like the fries are almost done or completely done. So I use this to grab all the tofus and the soybeans to filterize the oil. Okay, so it's very simple like this. Okay, so I've got the tofu and the soybeans here on the mat. Okay, so we try to fry this first. The chili is on this frying pan. Okay, we try to mix them all together. Okay, we put the tomatoes here, remember? Chilies, onions. Okay, and just fry this so until we can smell tasty or smell a bit spicy here. Okay. So after we fry the chili, we can put all the soybean and the tofu into this one. Alright, that's it. Okay, put all these over here. So we use this. Screw them up. Okay. Make sure that the chili combine into four surfaces of the tofu and the soybean. So careful. Looks yummy, right? So it's get another one. Okay, so we may pour out some, some chicken flavor here to make more tasty to the soybean and the tofu. So we mix them, stir all the chili. Okay, combine as the whole seasonings to keep the taste for the tofu and the soybean, of course. So I think it's ready to be on the plate or ready. Okay, that's it. Here we go. Tofu, soybean with spicy tomatoes. Looks nice, and you can add some greenies as the garnish over there. So ready to serve. So enjoy your lunch, have fun, dan buat kalian anak-anak yang pintar-pintar, yang smart di sekolahnya berbahasa Inggris, yuk kita juga bisa belajar bahasa Inggris dengan belajar procedure. Pernah ya? Jadi procedure atau prosedur untuk bagaimana membuat sesuatu. Nah, ini adalah cara membuat tahu dan tempe sambal balado, tentunya dengan bahasa Inggris. Banyak sekali vocabulary yang sudah kita pelajari. Tentunya ini akan baik buat kalian. Dan tentunya juga bisa juga buat para chef yang mau go international. So Anda juga bisa belajar bahasa Inggris terlebih dahulu untuk masuk ke dunia internasional, dunia masak internasional tentunya. Oke? Well, itu saja sajian kita hari ini. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for enjoying my video. I can meet you again in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment tentunya, dan juga share buat teman-teman kalian. Oke? See you next time. Bye-bye.